Long from the lower levels, it's not a bad idea to start taking some profits here. Hype is trending #1 on CoinGecko right now, and a lot of people already think they've missed the bus. But what if I told you, Hype could continue making back-to-back new all-time highs in June? After the recent massive pump, Hype has completely taken over social media. But here's the funny part. I already shared this exact setup on my X account 2 days before the move happened. A lot of people ignored it, and now they're watching from the sidelines. This is exactly why I keep telling you guys to follow all my social media pages, because I regularly share free setups before the market reacts. And this wasn't just one lucky call either. Hundreds of my free setups are currently sitting in profit. Now, the real question is, will Hype continue pumping towards $100, or is a massive dump about to destroy late buyers? So in my last update on X, I showed you how Hype was trading inside this parallel channel. Recently, it touched the bottom of the channel, and I clearly said the next move should take us towards the top of the channel. The target range I gave was between $52 to $55, and as you can see, Hype has already entered our target zone. In fact, it even pumped above the target and successfully broke out of the channel. Now, because of this breakout, a lot of traders are suddenly claiming Hype could go as high as $100. So let's try to find out whether that's actually realistic, or just social media hype. So as you can see on this fib indicator, every single time Hype has crossed the top level, it eventually entered the overbought zone and saw a major dump afterwards. Right now, Hype has printed a huge green candle, and based on historic data, this usually marks a local top. Even the RSI is starting to confirm this setup. Now, obviously, I can't show every single in-depth chart in this video because most people don't like watching long technical breakdowns. So instead, let me show you what I personally expect over the next 30 days. Now, something important. The market dumped again today. Fear is back. Many missed profits, and some are stuck near the local top. Inside the VIP group, I had already alerted members about this dump with dates and shared a roadmap. I can't share that publicly because once it's public, it loses its edge. We share multiple live setups, and the group starts at just $6 per month, with a Patreon discount till the end of May. It's capped at 300 members. If Patreon cards don't work for you, the YouTube VIP has the same calls. Links are in the pinned comment. Like I said earlier, Hype has already broken out. So if you long from the lower levels, it's not a bad idea to start taking some profits here, because profit booking is always safe. However, I still think there's more room left for growth. At the time of this recording, Hype is trading around $57.50. And in the next few days, there's a strong possibility we see it break above $60 and create another new all-time high. But once that range gets tapped, we could see a short-term cooldown and a possible retest of the recently broken resistance. Now, here's the important part. If Hype successfully flips that resistance into support, then we could begin another major leg up towards back-to-back new highs. And according to my charts, during June, Hype could potentially enter the $68 to $76 target range. Now, I know a lot of people are claiming Hype will hit $100 in 2026, but personally, based on my manual chart analysis, I don't think that happens this year. In my opinion, the absolute highest Hype could realistically reach is somewhere around $80 to $85 later this year, probably around Q3 or Q4, before the major crash phase begins. But this video is specifically about June 2026 targets, so we'll save the long-term analysis for another video. So make sure to follow and subscribe, because I'll also be sharing one major long opportunity for Hype in the coming months, and you do not want to miss it. Now, one thing you must remember, nothing goes up forever. Even if Hype enters our June target zone, there's a very high chance we see a bearish correction afterwards. And honestly, the dump could be aggressive. Now, obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, so here are the invalidation points. First, Hype needs to build strong support above the recently broken resistance. Second, it should not dump below dump zone 2, because once that happens, the entire bullish scenario starts weakening. But as of now, based on probabilities and chart structure, I still believe there's over an 80% chance Hype enters our target range in June, and around a 20% chance this setup gets invalidated. So that's what I personally expect from Hype over the next 30 days. And before I end this video, I just want to make one humble request. Please show some support by liking the video, dropping your valuable comments, subscribing, and following my social media pages. Because I genuinely spend day and night working on these charts and sharing amazing setups for free. But despite the effort, these videos barely get 300 to 400 views. And honestly, it's really demotivating sometimes seeing fake hype videos getting millions of views, while realistic content with actual historic accuracy gets ignored. So if you truly find value in these videos, showing some support genuinely helps motivate me to continue making more content.
Coins digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining rigs,